What's going on, guys? I'm Brandon from the Holla Holla Hikers. I hope everyone's doing well. I'm back with another product review, and anytime I find something interesting, I'm gonna make a video about it and show it to you guys. The last couple products I did were a little expensive. This one is a little bit more on the budget friendly side, so let's check it out. Today I'm going to show you guys a product by Rhino Storm. Basically it's a Hitch step. You plug this into your 2-inch Hitch receiver and you now have a foldable step. The step comes down just like that. Step on it, reach in the bed of your truck or whatever you need to reach, and then after you're done you fold it back up. For me, I found it useful. I wasn't able to reach the top of my rooftop tent. With this I was able to get up there and clean it. My son loves to use it as a seat. So he sits down on this thing when we're washing his feet, when we're putting his shoes on. He can't quite make it up to the truck bed, so it's a lot easier for him to get to this one. He can fold it down himself. He can sit on it, he loves it. So multiple uses for this thing. I think most people are using it to just reach inside the truck bed without having to lower the tailgate. Very useful. It's sturdy, it weighs 13 pounds. This thing is not gonna break. It's a nice strong product made of metal. It has a non-slip surface on here, kind of like a grip, you know, just grips to your feet. You're not gonna slide off of this thing, so it's very safe. And then of course, it folds up to this nice low profile, and you're not gonna collide with anything when you back up. You know, it doesn't take up any space at all. Also important to note, for me, it does not block my backup camera, so that was nice. I was a little concerned when I received this. I just didn't want to obstruct my view when I was backing up. It doesn't cause any issues at all. It's a very easy install. Like I said, you just plug this into your 2-inch receiver, slide the bolt through, tighten the nut. If it's on there nice and secure, there shouldn't be any rattling or any shaking. This thing is going to be quiet. It's just a solid extension of your truck now that you have an extra step. So pretty nice option for your hitch. I will leave a link in the description below to Amazon, and I believe they are providing me with a discount code, so make sure to check the description below. Well, I hope you guys are having a great week. Don't forget, get outside, stay hydrated, and keep on moving.